Hey, it's H here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for Bitcoin. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave Theory and provide targets and invalidation levels for the presented accounts. Let's get started. Starting from 1 hour time frame, we can see that we have been getting quite high on RSI and other indicators saying that we are pretty overbought area at the moment, looking for some kind of drop down. We are oversold on 4 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour and possibly even lower time frames. On 15 minute we can see that after this big run here, quite a few percent, 5% almost, we have been collecting these bearish divergences as we have been climbing here. So we have so many bearish divergences that I'm definitely looking for a drop here. Whether our Elliott Wave structures are going to be agreeing with that or not, we'll see. Now let's start with the 30-minute time frame for the Elliott Wave count, starting with this one here, where we have said that we have WXY completed up here, getting to around 764 extension for the Y wave of the W wave. After that point, we have had this structure here that I'm thinking again still as a 5-way structure coming here to a 1 or an A wave. Then looking for structure coming back to B or wave 2 and then coming down for wave C or 3, 4, 5. That is unclear yet, but again, as price develops, we'll see what happens. Now, for this current structure, I've labeled this as 1, 2, or A, B, and C, or third here, possibly ending. Now, we did hit right into this naked point of control that we had from the 1st of June. And we did some kind of reverse now here. We did not quite get to the 2.618 here. That is one of the last targets for possible. That is possible for the ABC structure. Of course, the third wave could be extending way further up if that is the case. However, if we are getting above this 32.4K area where we started this 5-way structure, then again we are going to be invalidating the idea that this is a 1 or wave 1. So yeah, just talking about this structure here, saying wave 1 or A wave is gotta be some kind of 5-way structure, otherwise I can't fit anything here that would support the idea of this being a 3 or C wave. So here we would be looking at some kind of expanding diagonal. Is definitely ugly, really ugly, saying that this would be a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It measures right now or proper, but again, if we are placing these trend lines right, this is what it would look like. So it does not look good. It doesn't have the right look, but that is basically the only way I can fit some kind of bullish structure in here that would support the idea of this being a wave 2, and then we could have another possible 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Whether wave 3 is done here for this lower structure or lower degree count, I'm not sure yet. But again, we are getting quite a few divergences here, so it could be that we are just having a really small wave 4 here. Of course, if we are thinking again that this is the top of wave 3, we could be looking for the wave 4, just like these areas here. And this would be the right color, is this one here. No, it's not. Let's put it in white so we can actually see it. So 38.2 would come right here where we would have a lower degree wave 4. If indeed we would have to be saying that, then I would be labeling this as a 1, 2, some kind of 3, 4 and 5 in very small time frame. Now we're again on 15 minutes, where I definitely don't really want to get to on my analysis. 38.2 would get right here where we had this previous wave 4 possibly. But we'll see what happens if we are to take one more higher at all. We do have a daily level here around 31.8K. That could be acting as a resistance. We do have this high as well for the wave 2 of this structure coming down around the same area. For wave 5, if this indeed would be the wave 5, we could be looking for targets as wave 4 would have completed. But again, that will take some time. Now the other scenario that we had was this one, where we said we have a W, X and Y coming higher. Currently we have made a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into wave A, currently making the wave B. Now wave B shouldn't get above the above this area here at 31,941, as that would be the area of 85.4 resistance or retracements for this first leg. And again, currently if we are looking for wave B, we would be looking for some kind of three-way move. As this is a five-way move here, we don't expect the wave B to be here, so instead we would be looking for this kind of structure here without the wave second structure here going above this 85.4% retracement. Again, that is sitting pretty much here. We have a couple of different areas here of interest. Let's see if we can get some in here. 0.66. Yeah, nothing really lining up too well, at least on this naked point of control. The daily and the 786 is a really good looking area if we are indeed needing one more leg up. Again, my overall bias for today and few days for now is going to be most likely some kind of structure coming down, whether it is the B wave or the other scenario that I showed you, where it could be the wave 3 coming downwards. But yeah, that is pretty much everything I wanted to cover on Bitcoin today. Let me know if you have another account that would explain things a bit differently. Links to my Discord server in the description below. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.